We are looking at how to pronounce this name of Scottish origin. We're going to be looking at how to say more interesting names of Gaelic, Irish origin as well, so make sure to stay tuned. How do you pronounce it? Ceilidh. Ceilidh, pretty straightforward once you know. The name means dance in Scottish. It describes an evening with music, for example, and dancing. Ceilidh. Another Irish name, this one, Aisling, meaning dream or vision. Aisling. Some more, Kieran. Kieran, a boy's name. Owen, the Irish spelling of the name Owen. Julien. Julien, meaning warrior and or monk. Julien, a curious spelling for this word, or this name I should say, Siobhan. Siobhan, how different is the spelling for this one? Siobhan, two different ways of pronouncing this. Kiva or Quiva, a beautiful girl's name meaning dear or noble. Kiva. Niamh. Niamh. It's even more beautiful, Niamh, and possibly one of my very favorites, Aoife, meaning beautiful, Aoife. And finally, a very famous one now, thanks to a famous Irish actress, Saoirse. Saoirse, meaning liberty. Saoirse, and now you know it all. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.